Welcome to my kusina, my little kitchen, and today we will going to bake burnt cheesecake. And hello! Welcome to Kusina de Marites. And first time kong gagamitin ang gift ni husband. Birthday gift niya. Matagal ko na tong mini-wish. 2013 ko pa natutunan mag-bake at wala akong kitchen aid na or stand mixer. And I love it because very pretty in pink burnt cheesecake. Sabi nila mas madali daw to gawin kaysa sa mga cheesecake na binibake like New York cheesecake, blueberry cheesecake, mango cheesecake. Nagawa ko ng blueberry cheesecake. I will just put the link on the description box. Just watch it. Mas parang nga sa akin mahirap yon, talagang tagak-takang pawis ko doon. Mahirap siya gawin. Ito walang kaarte-arte kasi kailangan mo burn. Okay lang mag-craft ng cheche-boreche.
The recipe was invented and made famous by Santiago Rivera, owner of San Sebastian Viña Cafe at Calle 31 de Agosto, Old Town of San Sebastian, Spain. It is said to have originated in 1990. And we need 2 packs of Magnolia cream cheese, 225 grams each per pack. And at room temperature, cream it with granulated sugar or powder sugar until smooth. Not unlike New York cheesecake, the difference between New York cheesecake and burnt BASQUE cheesecake does not have crust and bake at low and slow in a water bath, while the BASQUE cheesecake, on the other hand, is baked in high temperature and fast. The high temperature forms a caramelized exterior that serves a natural crust for the cheesecake. It is best works in a deep pan, standard cake pans, and 2 inches deep or 3 inches deep, round cake pan. I suggest if you want to use 8 inches round pan, you just add 1.5 of the recipe to accommodate for the 3 inches deep of 8 inches pan. Line the entire cake pan with parchment paper and use 2 sheets of parchment paper to ensure the batter does not touch the pan. Scrape all the edges of the mixing bowl and add vanilla extract. By adding an egg, you should add it one at a time to make sure that you mix evenly all the eggs with the cream cheese and the sugar. This is so easy to make, not unlike the New York cheesecake. It's very complicated. And while doing this, we need to preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And after we mix all the eggs, the 6 eggs, one at a time, we will need to add the cake flour. We need also the Nestle cream or all-purpose cream, 2 packs. But you can use also heavy cream. Once all the ingredients are incorporated, you will now pour in the cake pan with a parchment paper on it. Make sure all the cream cheese are already mix with all the liquid ingredients like eggs, vanilla extract. As you can see, I changed the paddle attachment into wire whip for the stand mixer to make sure that all the ingredients are incorporated. So that's it. It's the first time to use my kitchen aids, and I just want to stress out by using it in a simple baking recipe. It is best served the BASQUE cheesecake after you put in the fridge, either overnight or after a few hours. Make sure to cool it in the room temperature first before putting in the fridge. As you can see, we're now pouring the mixture, the butter for the baking time, and we will bake this at 60 minutes. I made 2 cake pans of 8 inches round with 2 inches high or deep. Now it's almost done. We need to cool it at room temperature. BASQUE cheesecake. Simple dessert to make. Make this also by mixing using wire whisk. If you don't have stand mixer or hand mixer. I'm so excited to taste it. Try this at home and bake this and taste it. You're gonna love this. BASQUE cheesecake. If you are cheese lovers too, this is the best cheesecake and simple to make. Enjoy and happy baking.